Hello friends, today we will start vector identities. This is the last topic of our unit number 1. So vector identities, this topic is related to divergence and curl of vector. So divergence and curl, we know that how you find divergence of vector field f bar, that is del dot f bar, and curl of f bar, that is del cross f bar. Okay. So for solving the problems on vector identities, 4 identities are there. These 4 identities are very important. So first listen this. If phi is any scalar point function, this is very important. If phi is any scalar point function, scalar and vector is quantities are most important in vector identities. So if phi is any scalar point function and u bar is any vector, listen carefully here, phi is scalar and u bar is any vector, then identity number 1 is del dot phi u bar. Del dot phi u bar, here this phi is scalar, u bar is vector, so del dot phi u bar can be written as del phi dot u bar plus phi into del dot u bar. Similarly, second identity is, instead of dot only write cross here, del cross phi u bar is equal to del phi cross u bar plus phi into del cross u bar. For solving problems, you have to use directly this. Here phi is scalar point function, u bar is vector point function. So these two identities related to scalar point function and one vector point function. Now third identity, suppose u bar and v bar are both are vector fields. Then how we find del dot u bar cross v bar? So del dot u bar cross v bar can be written as v bar dot del cross u bar minus u bar dot del cross v bar. Okay, and fourth one is same again, del cross u bar cross v bar can be written as u bar into, not dot here, product a, u bar into del dot v bar, here dot product a, minus u bar dot del into v bar. So instead of this identity we can use vector triple product also. This is vector triple product, this is given in first video in introductory part. So instead of using this identity, we will use this a bar cross b bar cross c bar, because del is also vector, u bar is also vector, v bar is also vector. So a bar cross b bar cross c bar can be written as, first and last का dot product लेना है, a bar dot c bar into b bar minus second में क्या करना है, b bar dot a bar into c bar, a bar dot c bar into b bar minus b bar dot a bar into c bar. Okay, so these are the 4 identities. These 4 identities are very important for solving the problems on vector identities. Now again in divergence we already proved one result. If r bar is position vector, then del dot r bar is equal to 3. At that time I told you this is very important for solving the problems on vector identities. So the value of del dot r bar equal to 3. In curl we already proved this, del cross r bar is equal to 0. The value of del cross r bar is always 0. And in gradient, del r means gradient of r, so the value of del r is r bar upon r. इसका भी हमने प्रूफ देखा है ग्रेडियंट में, जब dd स्टार्ट हुआ था तब. So ये तीनों वैल्यूज याद रखो, del dot r bar equal to 3, del cross r bar equal to 0 and del r is equal to r bar upon r. So this is the basic concept. Now we will take examples. So first problem is, show that f bar is equal to u bar cross v bar is solenoidal. We know that cross product of two vectors gives vector quantity. Here u bar is vector, v bar is vector. So if we find cross product, that is also vector. So this f bar is vector field. And we have to show that this f bar is solenoidal when if vectors u bar and v bar are irrotational. Means here we have to given that first u bar and v bar are irrotational. Given that u bar and v bar are irrotational. When u bar is irrotational, yes, if del cross u bar equal to 0 and v bar is also irrotational, means that is del cross V bar equal to 0. This is given in problem, and we have to show that F bar is solenoidal. So when F bar is solenoidal, to show F bar is solenoidal vector field. So when F bar is solenoidal, that is if del dot F bar equal to 0, means we have to show that del dot F bar equal to 0. If we get value of del dot F bar 0, then we can say that this F bar is solenoidal. Now we can take here LHS, that is this we have to prove this del dot F bar equal to 0. So LHS is del dot F bar, and what is del? We know del I bar dabba bar dabba is, but right here because F bar given only U bar cross V bar, so del dot U bar cross V bar, because F bar given a U bar cross V bar. So del dot F bar is this. Now how we find this del dot U bar cross V bar using these four identities? Out of these four identities, which one is applicable here? Third identity, that is del dot U bar cross V bar. And how we write this del dot U bar cross V bar? That is V bar dot del cross U bar minus U bar dot del cross V bar. Same here, del dot U bar cross V bar can be written as V bar dot del cross U bar minus U bar dot del cross V bar. But in problem given that U bar and V bar are irrotational, U bar and V bar are irrotational means del cross U bar equal to 0, del cross V bar equal to 0. If you put here, then this becomes V bar dot 0 minus U bar dot 0, and what is this? This is 0. So therefore del dot F bar equal to 0, and if del dot F bar equal to 0, then we can say that F bar is solenoidal. Okay, so next problem is, this is first problem. Second problem we will take small problems because we have to cover in 10 minutes. Second problem is show that del cross R bar into R cube equal to 0. This is one identity. Del cross R bar into R cube is equal to 0. This is, so how we prove this? Now if we take LHS here, LHS is equal to del cross R bar into R cube. You observe this carefully, R bar into R cube, which one is vector quantity and which one is scalar quantity. देखो आइडेंटिटी में वेक्टर एंड स्केलर आइडेंटिफाई करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जिसको बार होता है ना वो वेक्टर होता है, जिसको बार नहीं होता वो स्केलर होता है. दिस इज सिंपल वे. सो ये आर क्यूब जो है, आर क्यूब स्केलर क्वांटिटी, दिस इज फाई, एंड आर बार इज वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. सो हाउ टू यूज हियर डेल क्रॉस फाई यू बार मीन्स दिस आइडेंटिटी. So del cross phi u bar, how we write? Del phi cross u bar plus phi into del cross u bar. So phi is r cube, u bar is r bar. So del cross phi u bar is equal to del phi means del of r cube cross r bar plus phi, that is r cube into del cross r bar. Okay. Now how we find del of r cube? ऑलरेडी हमने एक रिजल्ट प्रूव किया है. डेल ऑफ एफ ऑफ आर इज इक्वल टू एफ डैश ऑफ आर इंटू डेल आर. ओके, एंड डेल आर इज आर बार अपॉन आर. ये ऑलरेडी ग्रेडियंट में प्रूव किया है. सो डेल आर क्यूब इज फंक्शन ऑफ आर मीन्स दिस इज एफ ऑफ आर. सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ आर क्यूब आएगा 3r स्क्वायर इंटू डेल आर क्रॉस आर बार. मैंने पहले ही बताया आपको कि for solving the problems on identities, the values of del dot r bar, del cross r bar are very important. So what is del cross r bar? Del cross r bar is 0 here. So this del cross r bar put here 0. Okay. And again here del r. What is the value of del r? Del r is r bar upon r. So 3r square into r bar upon r cross r bar plus 0 is equal to r square upon r, that is r. So 3r into r bar cross r bar, and cross product with itself क्या होता है? 0. So this is RHS. This shows that del cross r bar into r cube is equal to 0. Okay. So in next video we will take some problems on solenoidal and irrotational using identities, and then we will take actual problems on vector identities. Okay. So आज के लिए इतना ही. If you really like our videos, then subscribe the channel. Thank you.